Swaminarayan, myself Kumudini Nalaude, Atmi Green School, Standard 5th, subject Maths. So now we have already started our chapter 12, that is time. Okay, so I will just revise before starting our new topic. Okay, so in the recall exercise we have see how to write PM and AM. Okay, then we study about 24 hours time. Then we find the time period between the start and finish time. Next, in the question 5 we find the starting and ending time. In the sixth and seventh question, we made the conversion of hours to minute and minutes to hour, right? And in the seventh question, we minutes to second and seconds to minute. So before starting the new topic, I will just take the all formulas of time as possible as I can. So first, it is about minute. 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds, right? Then 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. Then 1 day is equal to 24 hours, right? Now next, see here, 1 week is equal to 7 days, right? So see this big conversion. We know that January, March, May, July, August, October, December have 31 days. Okay, April, June, September and November has 30 days. February has 28 or 29 days. 29 days in a leap year, and a year has 365 days or 366 days. 366 days are in a leap year. Now conversion. So how can we conversion? So once again some formulas are there. 30 days means 1 month. Then 1 year is equal to 365 days. 1 week is equal to 7 days. Okay. So let's see the next conversion example. So first, convert 3 years 10 days into days. Okay. So 1 year is equal to how many days? 365. So 3 multiplied by 365 we get 1095, and these extra 10 days then we get 1105 days. Okay. Next, example 2. Convert 6 months 10 days into days. Now see here, 6 months means 1 month is equal to 30 days. So 6 into 30 we get 180. 180 plus 10 we get 190. So how many total days are there? 190 days. Okay. Now next, convert 10 weeks and 5 days into days. Now 1 week is equal to 7 days. So here are the 10 weeks. So 10 into 7 we get 70 days, and this extra 5. So 70 plus 5 we get 75 days. Fourth example, convert 95 days into weeks and days, months and days. Now see here, 95 days means 95 divided by 7. What we get here? 13 week. Okay. So 13 weeks and 4 days. So 95 divided by 7 we get 7 1 is 7, 25. So 7 3 is 21. So here 13 weeks and 4 days. Then next, 95 days we have to convert into months. So 95 divided by 30 we get 3 months and 5 days. Get it? So let's start the exercise 11.1. Okay. So first of all, please write such like this, chapter 11 time, and you have to write the tabular form all these formulae. Okay, once again I will repeat all the formulas. 1 day is equal to 24 hours. 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. 1 year is equal to 365 days. 1 month is equal to 30 days. 1 year is equal to 12 months, and 1 week is equal to 7 days. Get it? So let's start exercise 11.1. Convert into days. So it is given in years and we have to convert into days. So let's start 2 years. Now there are two methods. We can directly multiply such like the 1 year is equal to 360 days, so 2 years is equal to 360 multiplied by 2. Otherwise, this is another method. Now same method is here. 2 years is equal to 2 multiplied by 12. So 12 is the months are there na in years, so it is 24. But 1 month is equal to 30 days, so 24 multiplied by 30 we get 720 days. ओके ये भी एक मेथड है. और दूसरे मेथड से हम डायरेक्ट ये लिखेंगे 1 year is equal to 365 days. So 365 multiplied by 2 we get 720. Okay, next 5 years and 100 days. So 1 year is equal to 12 months. So 5 year is equal to 60 months. So 60 into 30 we get 1800 days. Now 1800 plus 100 we get 1900 days. Okay, next now 10 months. Now 1 month is equal to how many days? Right, 30 days. So 10 month is equal to 10 multiplied by 30, that is 300 days. Okay, next 5 months 15 days. So 5 months is equal to 5 multiplied by 30, as 1 month is equal to 30 days, right? So 5 multiplied by 30 we get 150 days. Then 5 months 15 days equal to 150 plus 15 we get 165 days. Okay, next. So fifth example you have to take as a homework. I think you definitely solve it. It is not so difficult. So let's see what is the 11 points. Fifth example. It is 7 weeks. So can anyone tell me how many days are there in 1 week? Yes, 7. 1 week is equal to 7 days. So 7 week is equal to 7 into 7, that is 49, right? So you have to do it. Now let's see the sixth example. 20 weeks and 5 days. So 1 week is equal to 7 days. So 20 week is equal to 20 multiplied by 7. We get 140 days. Now see here, 140 plus this extra 5. That means 145 days. Okay. Next. Convert into weeks and days. So see here. Now we have to convert into weeks. So first of all we have to divide by 7. 1 is equal to 7 days. So 49 divided by 7 we get 7 week. Okay. 360 days. So 360 divided by 7. So I have not shown the division because I am sure you can do it. Okay. So you have to do personally in rough copy. Okay, or in rough work. 360 divided by 7 we get 360 divided by 7. So 7 5 the 35, 10 remains, so 7 1 the 7, and then 3 days, that is 51 week and 3 days. Next 45 days. So 45 upon 7, so it is 6 weeks and 3 days. Next 10 days. So 10 divided by 7 it gets 1 week 3 days. Okay. Now next see example. Just 1 second, huh? Okay, fine. See, convert into months and days. So we have first converted into days, then we have converted into week. Now we have to convert into months. So you have to know that 1 month is equal to how many days? 30 days, right? So 120 days are given. So we have to convert into months. So 1 month is equal to 30 days, right? So 120 divided by 30 we get 4 months. Okay. Next. $365 days. So 1 month is equal to 30 days. So 365 divided by 30 we get 31 the 30 and 32 the 60. Okay. So 12 months and 5 days. Okay. 45 days. So 1 month is equal to 30 days. Okay. So 45 divided by 30 we get 1 month and this extra 15 days. Okay. And next 60 days. So we have to divide 60 by 30. So 32 the 60, that is 2 months. Okay. Understand everyone? Fine. Now we will start our next question, that is D. Convert into months. So remember 1 year is equal to how many months? 12 months. So let's start. 5 years is equal to 12 multiplied by 5, that is 60 months. Okay. 10 years is equal to